Namaste, this is Santa Auntie. In this video, we're going to review how to say, may I have in Hindi. You're polite, aren't you? And you want to use good manners while speaking to others? So this video is going to help you do that. The phrase that we are going to practice is, Kyaa mujhe, fill in the blank, mil sakta hai. And what this means is, may I have, and then you fill in the blank with the item that you want. Let's practice this again. Kyaa mujhe, fill in the blank, mil sakta hai. And again, the blank line is where you say whatever the item is that you want. Now, for the parents watching this, in this video, we're not going to worry about mil sakta versus mil sakti. We are just going to practice mil sakta. Learning Hindi is challenging enough, and I'm not trying to complicate it for your child. As students advance through my classes, I teach the concept of inflection, pulling and striling nouns, when and how to use mil sakta versus mil sakti. So that all comes later as students advance through my classes, but this video is designed for beginners. So I just want to make sure all you parents out there know that. All right, let's review the phrase again. Kyaa mujhe, fill in the blank, mil sakta hai. Again. Kyaa mujhe, fill in the blank, mil sakta hai. All right, now let's try some practice problems. Let's pretend that you want a donut. So how would we say, may I have a donut? And we're just going to use the English word now for donut. Okay? Kyaa mujhe donut mil sakta hai? Again. Kyaa mujhe donut mil sakta hai? All right, let's do another one. Ooh, the unicorn has a cake. We want some cake. And the Hindi word for cake, we're going to say cake. So let's try it. May I have a cake? Kyaa mujhe cake mil sakta hai? Kyaa mujhe cake mil sakta hai? All right. Ooh, lion has pizza. I'm getting hungry for lunch. Let's try it. May I have pizza? क्या मुझे पिज़्ज़ा मिल सकता है? क्या मुझे पिज़्ज़ा मिल सकता है? Let's try another one. Ooh, I want to see a seahorse. I want a seahorse. Let's try it. And seahorse is a samudri ghodi, but let's just say seahorse for now, okay? Let's make it easy. क्या मुझे seahorse मिल सकता है? क्या मुझे seahorse मिल सकता है? And how about some ice cream? You want some ice cream? I want ice cream. Let's try it. How would we say this? क्या मुझे ice cream मिल सकता है? क्या मुझे ice cream मिल सकता है? What about pretzels? That looks like a tasty snack. क्या मुझे pretzel मिल सकता है? क्या मुझे pretzel मिल सकता है? And what about s'mores at the campfire with an astronaut? Now that seems super cool. I want in on that. क्या मुझे s'mores मिल सकता है? क्या मुझे s'mores मिल सकता है? What about a lollipop? क्या मुझे lollipop मिल सकता है? क्या मुझे lollipop मिल सकता है? What about candy? Halloween candy too. क्या मुझे candy मिल सकता है? क्या मुझे candy मिल सकता है? And balloons. Everybody wants balloons. क्या मुझे balloons मिल सकता है? क्या मुझे balloons मिल सकता है? Now, let's review the phrase one more time before we go. क्या मुझे fill in the blank mil sakta hai. So let's do chocolate for this one. May I have chocolate? क्या मुझे chocolate मिल सकता है? You try it. क्या मुझे chocolate मिल सकता है? All right, great work. Now you know how to politely ask for anything that you want in Hindi. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.